If you want to enable USB debugging on a Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. We need to enable developer options first, so we're gonna scroll down in the settings and go to About Phone. Then over here, we're gonna open Software Information, and then you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screenlock password and tap on Continue. You will see this message that the developer mode has been enabled. So once you see that, we can go back to the main page of settings, and then here at the bottom of the settings, you should be able to find developer options. And then here, if you scroll down just a little bit, you should be able to find USB debugging. There is also wireless debugging, and you might be able to turn it on immediately. However, there is also a chance that you will see this message instead, that the feature or the option is blocked by auto blocker. So in that case, we're gonna go back to settings again, and we need to go to security and privacy. And then over here in the security and privacy, we can turn off the auto blocker. You will need to verify yourself again. And once it is disabled, once we go back to developer options, we should be able to have the option to enable USB debugging. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.